If you are looking for how to convert yards to meter and meter to yard in Excel, then don't skip this video. And I have some few yards here, and in the next column I have calculated meter by using convert formula. So how you can do that? Use the equal signs, put the convert function, bracket open, select the cells, comma, double quote, and use YD abbreviation for yards, double quote, comma, double quote, and use M for meters abbreviation, double quote, and close the bracket, hit enter, and use the fill handle to calculate the other values. So if you want to convert meters to yard, then what you have to do is put the equal sign, use the convert function, open the bracket, select the cells, double quote, and now this type meter for M and double quote, comma, double quote, and YD for yards, double quote, and close the bracket and hit enter. And here you can cross check the values by using drag cell. So if you want to use the multiplication formula, and you have to be remember that 1 yard is equal to 0.9144. So put the equal sign and select the cells into 0.9144, hit enter, and use the fill handle to drag the values. And this way you can easily convert yards to meter and meter to yards in Excel. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.